Sapppppaning, I tell you what is happening. It's more lockdown stuff. It is absolutely boiling. It is stunning out there today. What are we, 22.5 degrees at the minute. Been doing a lot of walking, enjoying that, loving the walking actually, doing the stuff, seeing different sights, whether that's like a mini explore as you've seen in previous videos, or just taking in the scenery. Gorgeous countryside around me. But I thought you've seen a couple of bits of that. There's nothing worse than showing the same stuff. I don't want to be repetitive and get known for, oh, look at this, look at that. People know, nah, not happening. So keep my energy going, trying to give you the positive vibes. And today I'm going to be doing a bit of washing the cars, detailing, whatever you want to call it. Maintenance wash, that's all I'm going to be doing. That was ceramic coated 2 weeks ago, so I've left it 2 weeks as a detailing device. Don't forget wax and gleam detailing. Go and check them out, previous Q7 videos. There's stuff on Viking Views with the S4 and the bug paint correction, etc. But I thought, to be fair, the cars are a bit dusty because we had a bit of light rain last week. Since then, you know, it's just, you know, it's that little like spots on the black. Can't really see it, because being white it hides a lot. But I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So the wifey's in work, so her Benz is gonna stay dirty. She's gonna kill me later when she comes home and sees clean cars. But I thought, you know what, front of the house is in a bit of shade, because I would never wash a car in direct sunlight. So I've got the heat, but the cars are going to be mostly hidden, so that's pretty good. So today this video is going to cover washing my brand new Q7. I say brand new, I've had it 5-6 weeks, not that I can really use it. I'm going to be doing my T6 Kombi, which is just over a year old. That van's neglected at the minute. It was last used, someone just randomly driving by and having a look. I don't even know who he is. Hello there. So yeah, the Kombi was last used March, early March, I want to say, maybe. It must have been, yeah, like the first week of March, and it's literally just sat there. Hasn't, the only time it gets used is to pull it forward for I can get the beetle out of the garage and put it back. So the car hasn't had a wash since, well, the van hasn't had a wash since last December, I want to say, which is quite shameful. Although, because that is, you know, it's been looked after, it's got good wax on it, it stays pretty good aside from being dusty, so that should clean up. Ceramic coating on that should be easy to do. I'm also going to do the old man's Tiguan, R Line Tiguan, which is, I love it. It's an absolute stunning car. Top spec as well. Full pan roof, everything in here. It's a gorgeous car. Really is a gorgeous car. So this was ceramic coated back in December as well. It's had maintenance washes every 3 weeks, something like that. I should do it a bit more, but you know, there's a couple of bits of spots. If you can see some bird mess on the bonnet there, which I should have got that sooner, but there we go, that's the plan today. So this should clean up as well. So I'm just going to show you a little bit around the cars, you know, 2 bucket wash, snow foam, all the usual stuff, and show you a bit of before and after of how good they kind of come up, hopefully. So whoosh. Love this steering wheel as well. Anyone knows me, I love the Mark 7 7.5 GTI Golfs, and to me, I know Dan's got one, love driving that. This feels very much like a big Golf, where the steering wheel, the buttons, you know, the center console here. I need to clean all this out. Look at my parents, there we are. I always love a spotless car, but you know, they I like a bit of clutter in here by the looks of it. So I'm gonna clean all that out as well, hoover them all, and yeah, get them all up spotless. Right, so you can see the sort of dust I'm on about. You can just about make it out on there. It's going to be literally just a bit of a maintenance wash, because this I haven't had a wash in about 3-4 weeks. Mainly more so because of that. But I'll show you out. This still looks great after 2 weeks, to be honest with you. Just check that. Still got a lovely shine on it. It's just this dust, that's what I can't wait to get rid of, which most of it will blow off, to be fair, but I'll give it a good wash anyway. See, it's all on this, like this black optics. It's just noticeable. And I live on a building site currently at the minute as well, because they're still building houses, so it's prone just to get the dust. Well, there we go. Looking forward to cleaning it up. And here's the T6, which is at well, it's been neglected a little bit for some time. Forgot to say as well, air suspension is down all the way on that to make it a bit easier to wash. But for a van that hasn't had a clean in a couple of months, it's not doing too bad in all fairness. As you can see, still got a lovely shine amongst all that dust and dirt. There we go, I'm looking forward to cleaning it up. Wrapping the hay burner as per usual. But let's get into it. So just as the bucket's filling up, I thought I'd show you a little bit of the products I'm going to be using today. It's a text coming through. Phones are on silent because I'm not exploring. We're all good. 2 buckets as per usual. One with a soap in, other one is literally just going to be for clean water. Both got grids in also, so that's just filling up there. I always do as well a separate bucket for the wheels, always have done. So not to cross contaminate anything, but using a little soft foam thing for the wheels today, which is a new thing I bought. So got Auto Finesse snow foam in a Dora Juice Lance, and then literally just Auto Finesse shampoo is what's in there that we're using, and the iron out stuff literally just for the wheels. So yeah, the Karcher K9 as well, which is plenty, is all you need to do the car with. So I'm looking forward to get the girl looking clean again. It still amazes me the size of them wheels, and 21s look big. Right, so there we go, got the Dora Juice mitt in there. I've used the iron out light coat on the wheels because they are ceramic coated, and that's literally all it needs. Like I said, I'm no professional detailer, just going off what I've learned, what I've been taught over the years, but I've done those wheels first. They come up pretty good as well. And with the car, I always start from the top and work my way down. So, but there we go, I'm just literally going to jet the car first, try and blow off all the dust before I put the snow foam on, before I wash it. So, as you can see, look at the coating on that. See the water just running off it. Awesome. Let's pick it up in a minute. Now that is literally just after a bit of a blast off of the dirt dust that's on there, the bit of dirt that's on there. Check it now, right? You can just see the beading turn brown as it hits it. Ceramic coating doing this thing, all right. So as you can see, once I jetted all the dust off, snow foam has just been put on. Literally just going to let that do its thing for a couple of minutes, let it run off. Let it react to anything. It shouldn't be a whole lot on the car. As I said, it hasn't been long ceramic coated. A couple of weeks ago. It's sort of like mesmerising to watch. I love watching it. As well, and I was just jetting the difference because the plates are, well, they haven't been coated because they were later having them, but the difference in the car between the plates, what's coated and not, awesome. So I said, a couple more minutes of this, jet all this off, and it's going to be gently washed. So there it is, that's one Q7 done. Look at the difference in that now. She's shining lovely. Used the towel as well, special sort of mitt, literally just brush it down the car rather than just wiping her all over. And you can see as well how free of swirls this is. Just check that. Absolutely stunning. So I'm not going to show you the same process to do this and to do this, but I will show you what they're like once they've been done. So saves, you know, boring you guys as well. But yeah, I'm looking forward to do this more than anything because I think it needs it the most, especially inside. Let me show you inside. Some of you are going to be ashamed of me. It's just full of rubbish. The East Drive, that was the last time I actually used it, but yeah, it needs one hell of a clean. You can see the extent of how dirty it actually is, to be fair. So as easy as 3, 2, 1. Push. And you're back. There we go. The van's been done. That's literally not even no polish on there. Well, I haven't polished it this time. It's just got a bit of a Dora Juice coating on there. She's come up pretty good, to be fair. For a quick blast, she's not looking too bad at all. So I've kept you out of trouble for 5. that's a bit of lockdown detailing for you. And even the inside's been done. But there we go. Next task, Tiguan, the final task. I'm happy with that, how she looks. So I'm going to finish this video where we started. Tiguan, which has also been done. And it's looking good. Just look at the colour in this paint as well. Absolutely love it. She's looking fresh. Tyres are a bit wet and soapy. I'm by the wiping nose, I'll be totally honest with you. But I'd say that's a job well done. So something totally different, but it's done. It's another day of lockdown. Something else for you to watch in a couple of days, no doubt, when it drops. As I said earlier on in the video, wax gleam detailing, Viking views, Portal Paranormal. All the links below. Go check them out. Until then, I think it's beer time now, so I'm gonna wrap it up. So I'll see you all soon.